Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to Fly High, where you're gonna be flying high in language learning with me, Francesca.
I'm James. I'm back.
And what is your notepad, James?
Oh yeah, sorry. Got it here.
So, yes, because in this lesson we'll be doing an exercise on the definite articles. In the previous lesson here, we had explained how definite articles are formed in Italian and what they translate as. And now we're going to be doing a quick recap. And we're going to be doing this exercise together, James, in real time as well. And and practice it all together. So if you guys are ready then, let's explore it all together. So, what are the definite articles in Italian? Just as a quick, explanation again. So we have il and I for masculine. So il for a masculine noun that starts with a consonant, and I for a masculine noun that starts with a consonant, but when in the plural. Okay.
I'm cheating. I'm writing it down quickly.
No, don't do that. So il for the singular and I for the plural in masculine nouns that start with a consonant. Now, masculine nouns that start instead with X, Y, Z and with ps, pn, gn and S plus a consonant, those instead use the uno in the singular and, what did I just say? Yeah, it's lo. I'm getting like, that's indefinite one. So lo in the singular and gli in the plural. Okay, so those do lo and gli. And then we have masculine nouns that start with a vowel instead, do L apostrophe in the singular and then gli in the plural. This is for masculine. Now for feminine we have la for a feminine noun that starts with a consonant and L apostrophe for a feminine noun that starts with a vowel. And in the plural, in both instances, we use le, so much simpler. So if you guys are ready, then if you want to know more about the rules, when we use them, when we don't use them, then it's in this lesson of last time. So now we're doing this exercise. I'm going to give you about 5 seconds.
Is that it? Okay, a bit longer.
5 seconds
yeah.
between, for each word. And we're doing, basically, I'm saying, for instance, the child, the female child. So I give you 5 seconds to put the correct article for the singular, and then 5 seconds to do the same for the plural. Okay? Yeah. So it should be, I think, enough time, and if it's not, like, just pause the video so that we can, So let's start with the first one. So the child, the female child, is bambina. Bambina. So what's the correct article for the child, bambina, in the singular?
I've already finished.
Really? Okay. Yeah. Now do me the plural for the female children, bambine. I think we're done with the 5 seconds. So we can do it one by one, or shall we give the solutions right at the end?
Yeah, get solutions right at the end.
Right at the end. Okay. So we got second sentence, second word, the food. The food. Food is cibo. What article would you use there?
I think I learned that word yet. Let me just put whatever. Okay.
And for the plural, it would be cibi. The foods. Okay. Now on to number 3.
Okay.
Number 3. Number 3 is the exercise. Exercise is esercizio. And for the plural, esercizi. So the exercises. Now, number 4, the show. Show is spettacolo. So what article we need to use there? And for the plural is spettacoli.
Oh yeah, it's
Number 5, the movie. Movie is film. So obviously here as well, you have to know if it's a masculine or a feminine noun.
yeah.
And in the plural is film. Is invariable. It doesn't really change. So because it's a noun of foreign, coming from abroad, right? From So number 6 is hour. The hour. Ora. It's masculine or a feminine, and what's the correct article to use?
Yeah.
For the plural is ore, the hours. Done with the 5 seconds. Always making sure about the 5 seconds. So number 7, the strawberry. Strawberry is fragola.
Well, there's an at the end, so I'm going to go with female.
And for the plural is fragole. Number 8, backpack. Zaino. The backpack. And for plural is zaini. The backpacks.
Could have just got a stopwatch.
Yeah. True, yeah. Then we have the game. Game is gioco. Then you need more.
No, I don't know that one.
And for the plural is giochi.
I'm not going to skip that.
Okay.
It's not much time to
See?
think.
Number 10, we got 3 more. Number 10, we got sport. The sport is sport. It's Italian pronunciation of
Sport.
sport. Yes, sport. So is it a feminine noun, a masculine noun? So sport. And for the plural, still stays the same. Sport. So what is it? Now, 11, the army. Army is esercito.
How do you spell that?
And for the plural, eserciti. Then we have number 12, idea. Idea. The idea. So idea. Is it masculine noun, feminine noun? And in the plural, idee. And finally, the last one is the hand. The hand is mano. Mano. So, what's this? Masculine noun, feminine
Oh
noun?
no, this was a tricky one. That was we mentioned this, I think. I don't know.
We did mention it in the previous lesson. And in the plural is mani.
Okay.
So now you done
I
it.
did mine. So,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, that's good then. So now we can look at them all one by one, and we can also give the explanation on why it has to be in a certain way, so you guys can understand. And yes, so let's start. It was la bambina and le bambine. So did you do it right?
Yeah, I got that one right.
So la bambina is the female child, le bambine is the plural, okay? This is why, because it's a feminine noun, starts with a consonant. So it's la and le for the plural. Number 2 is the food. What article did you put there?
Il.
Il cibo. Il cibo. Cibo is masculine, starts with a consonant, so it has to use il. And in the plural, what did you use?
I put la.
No, it's I.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
I, because il becomes I in the plural. Okay, for masculine starts with a consonant. So yeah, why did you put l'apostrophe?
I don't know. It just
It just came
the
to
panic. Yeah. Done before my own tests.
Now on to 3. The exercise. Exercise is esercizio. What did you put?
L'esercizio.
Yeah, you put l'apostrophe.
Yeah.
So l'apostrophe, masculine noun, starts with a vowel, so it's l'apostrophe. And for the plural, what did you put?
Gli esercizio.
Gli esercizi.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that's what I meant.
gli. So l'apostrophe becomes gli in the masculine plural. And number 4. Number 4 was spettacolo. Spettacolo is the
low,
show.
because remember there's an S and a P.
Yes,
in
so
the
an
rules.
S and a consonant.
Yeah,
yes,
consonant.
S followed by a consonant. So it's lo spettacolo. And for the plural,
Gli spettacoli.
gli
Yeah, gli.
spettacoli.
Yeah.
Gli.
Yeah.
Gli. So GLI, gli spettacoli, again, is the corresponding of lo in the plural form. And now we got film. Film is a masculine noun. Okay, so nouns of that come from abroad, of foreign origin, are usually masculine in Italian, especially if they terminate with a consonant, like film that terminates with an M. So we go. What do we go?
I'll put il for
Il.
more. Because
That's correct. Yeah.
I wasn't sure if male or female. I just went with male.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Il film, and for the plural is
Put li.
I.
Yeah.
It's I.
Yeah. I got it wrong.
Yeah, because il becomes I in the in the
yeah.
plural. Remember, in case you got anything done wrong, you can still change it up quickly before we get to the no. I film. And number 6 is the hour. The hour is ora. L'ora. L'apostrophe is a feminine noun here. We're still going to be using the L and the apostrophe when it starts with a vowel, just like in this instance. And for the plural, what did you put?
Yeah, I thought about it, but I put le ore.
Le ore.
Le ore.
Yeah, le ore. L-I.
I didn't put an apostrophe.
Yes, that's good. Yeah, le ore. And now on to number 7, the strawberry. Strawberry is
La
fragola.
fragola.
Why?
Oh, because it's for female at the
Yeah,
end.
it's a feminine noun. It's very easy, right? It's got a consonant, so it's la. And for the plural?
Le fragole.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. And then we have the backpack is zaino, which is
lo.
lo. Why?
Because there's a Z.
Yes, so masculine noun starts with a Z, so it's lo. And for the plural?
Gli zaini.
Yes, that's a, you were saying it's a hard rule and all that, but
No, not with the X, Y, and Z.
Yeah, X, Y, Z, remember,
It's
which
just
is
the consonant
low
ones.
and And then we have the game. Game is gioco. Why you are struggling with this one? Now think about it. Is it a masculine or a feminine noun? Gioco.
Oh, masculine.
Masculine. So what article would you use?
Il.
Il.
Yeah, it's easy now, yeah.
Yeah. Both you're panicking.
Yeah, at the time it's pressure.
Il gioco. And for the plural, il becomes
You wouldn't put li, would
No.
it? No, put E.
I.
Okay.
Yeah, il becomes
Yeah,
I
it's
in
just
the
the
plural.
E that's
Yeah,
a little
the
bit.
games,
Yeah.
I giochi. And we have number 10, it was, the sport. Sport,
I went with masculine, love sport.
lo sport, S and the consonant besides, so
Gli.
it's, and then gli in the plural, gli sport.
I did put li sporti.
Gli sporti?
Yeah.
No, sport is invariable. Again,
Okay.
these nouns that got like a foreign origin. This is not like in Italian originally noun.
Okay.
So it stays the same.
Ah,
yes.
okay.
Yeah,
Hey,
you spot.
could warn me about that.
Well,
Well, I've learned.
but it wasn't about transforming
No,
from
no.
singular to plural. This one. So now number 11, the army. Army is esercito.
I went with the L and apostrophe.
Yes, l'esercito. So masculine noun starts with a vowel, so it's L'. And then for the plural is eserciti.
Yeah, I
Which
went
article?
gli eserciti.
Gli.
Yeah.
Very good. Gli eserciti. And last two. So we got the idea. What did you put?
L'idea.
L'idea. Yes. L', feminine noun, starts with vowel. L'. And then in the plural,
Le.
very good. Yeah, you did pretty well actually. Yeah.
Myself.
How did you guys do actually? So let us know in the comments how many you got right. If just like James, if you use the cheat sheet like the table, if you helped yourself with,
Shame I didn't have that.
or if you didn't get any additional help. And number 13, the last one, the hand.
Yeah.
My H's. The hand, mano. Is he a masculine or
I
a feminine
remember
noun?
from a few videos before, and it was one of these ones where you were expected to be masculine, but no, it was female.
Yes,
so.
it's feminine noun, mano. Even if it finishes in, I put it there as a little tricky one, and if you guys didn't get it right, it doesn't really matter because it's one of those exceptions. So mano is actually a feminine noun that finishes in o, and so uses
La.
la mano, and then in the plural.
Le. Mano.
Yeah, just because it's feminine, so it uses le. And yes, so you got how many then?
Probably 4 wrong.
Okay, 4 wrong out
Yeah,
of 13.
mainly on the
it's not
plural
bad.
side.
But
so.
13 multiplied by 2, basically. We are 26 in total, like to fill out. So it was quite, pretty good. Yes, yeah. So, and you guys, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments how many you got right, how many you got wrong, and which ones you found particularly tricky. And yes, and why as well.
So guys, this concludes our lesson. So stay tuned and we see you in the next episode.
Okay, that's
Smooth.
ciao.
Okay, ciao.
Ciao.